Hey, Apple fans! Big news! iOS 19 is bringing an AI-powered tool to boost your iPhone's battery life like never before. And today, we're diving into what this feature means for you. Let's get started. Apple is set to launch a game-changing AI battery management system in iOS 19. This isn't just another update. It uses on-device AI to learn your habits and optimize power usage. Think smarter app management, fewer background processes, and longer battery life, all tailored to how you use your iPhone. Here's the cool part. The AI analyzes your daily routine, like which apps you use most, when you charge, and what drains your battery. It then tweaks background activity to save power. For example, rarely used apps? They'll stay quiet until you need them. It's similar to Google's adaptive battery, but with Apple's privacy-first, on-device processing. iOS 19 also adds a lock screen indicator showing how long until your iPhone is fully charged. Super handy. Plus, this AI tool is designed with the rumored iPhone 17 Air in mind. That slim, lightweight phone might have a smaller battery, but Apple's AI will keep it running longer. Expect the big reveal at WWDC in June 2025, with iOS 19 rolling out in September after beta testing. It'll work on all iPhones that support iOS 19. So your current device might get a battery boost too. Are you excited for iOS 19's AI battery magic? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Apple updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll